students, welcome all of you in ninth lecture of chapter number 6. So in sixth chapter, up to now we discussed two exercise 6.1 and 6.2. So in 6.1, what we discussed in 6.1 exercise, here I am writing, in 6.1 exercise we discussed about linear pair of angles and generally vertically opposite angle. I am writing here 6.1. So generally we discuss here vertically opposite angle and linear pair of angles. If two angles are there, their sum will be 180 on a straight line. And if angles are more than 2, then again sum is 180, but there we will write one extra word, that is axon. Then we discuss 6.2. In 6.2, two lines are parallel and one transversal is there. Then we are having generally three results: corresponding angle, alternate interior angle, and conjugative interior angle. Generally alternate interior angle used in the question, generally, but any of the result can be used. So in these two exercise, basic must be clear in your mind. Now we will start the third exercise. The basic of third exercise is very easy. Already you study in 8th class. 100% I am sure you study in 8th class. So first heading, angle sum property of a triangle. नाम से ही पता चल रहा है एंगल सम मतलब एंगल्स का सम करो किसका, ट्रायंगल्स का. Suppose this is a triangle. Here in this triangle we are having three angles. This is angle A, this is angle B, and this is angle C. If I add all the three angles, then their sum will be 180. Means sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180. This is called angle sum property of a triangle. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. Now second result, this is exterior angle property. Exterior angle means वो एंगल जो ट्रायंगल के अंदर नहीं है. Exterior means बाहर का एंगल होना चाहिए. Suppose I extend this BC line up to D. Then if I want to find out value of angle ACD, then this angle will be equal to sum of these two interior opposite angle. मतलब इसके साथ वाला एंगल छोड़ दो, बाकी को प्लस कर दो, तो ये एंगल आप इस रिजल्ट से लिख सकते हैं. Here exterior angle equal to sum of interior opposite angle. So this angle ACD will be equal to angle A plus angle B. So these two results you have to study in third exercise. 6.1 generally two result, linear pair of angles, vertically opposite angle. 6.2 generally three result, corresponding angle, then alternate interior angle, and then conjugative interior angle. Now we have to first study the theorem of this chapter. We are having only one theorem, that is angle sum property of a triangle. Let us study that theorem, then we will start to solving the questions. So here is the theorem, theorem number first of this chapter. This chapter has only one theorem. So state and prove angle sum property of a triangle. अभी हमने रिजल्ट पढ़ा था angle sum property का. This is also a theorem. So what is the statement? The sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180. तो ये थ्योरम में हो सकता है स्टेट एंड प्रूव लिखा मिले, या हो सकता है ये वाली स्टेटमेंट आपको पेपर में पहले मिले. तो दोनों में से किसी तरह भी ये थ्योरम आ सकती है. जनरली फॉर थ्योरम वी आर हैविंग फोर स्टेप. फर्स्ट गिवन, सेकंड टू प्रूव, थर्ड कंस्ट्रक्शन, एंड फोर्थ प्रूव. जनरली दिस फोर स्टेप वी आर हैविंग. So if state and prove is written, then first step is statement. If this statement is already given in the question paper, then first step is given. So what is given? Triangle ABC. बस आपको ये triangle ABC दी हुई है. This is the. Then we want to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. मतलब तीनों का सम क्या प्रूव करना है? 180. Very easy and very small theorem. So this dotted line is actually construction. So we have to draw a line. Let name of this line is L, and this should be parallel to BC. So what is the construction? Draw L parallel to BC. Again, I am revising these four steps. First statement, the sum of all three angles of a triangle is 180. Second, given triangle ABC. Third, to prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. Construction, draw L parallel to BC. अब यहीं से आपने प्रूफ पैरेलल से ही स्टार्ट करना है. तो because L parallel to BC, जब भी लाइन पैरेलल होती हैं तो आपने 6.2 में सीखा है सबसे ज्यादा हम कौन सा रिजल्ट यूज कर रहे हैं, अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल्स. So angle 1 will be equal to angle B and angle 3 will be equal to angle C. Region is alternate interior angle. Now this is a straight line. So sum of these three angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 will be 180. Region is linear pair axon. दो से ज्यादा एंगल है तो हमने एक्सॉम लिख दिया. Now angle 1 we can replace by angle B. Angle 2 you can see here, angle 2 means angle A because angle 2 is inside the triangle, so this will represent angle A. Angle 3 you will check here, angle 3 equal to angle C, so angle C equal to 180. This region you have to write down in bracket, angle 1 equal to angle B, angle 3 equal to angle C. Now you can write in series, means or angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. So this theorem is very important. Again name of theorem is angle sum property of a triangle. एक बार फिर देख लेते हैं रिवाइज करके. Statement, sum of all three angles of triangle 180 given triangle ABC. To prove angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. Construction, draw L parallel to BC. I think no problem in this first step. So L parallel to BC, then angle 1 equal to angle B, angle 3 equal to angle C, angle alternate interior angles. Now angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180, linear pair axiom. 1 replaced by B, 2 replaced by A, 3 replaced by C. Here you have to write down the region, then write angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180. Means last में आपको इसको series में लिखना है. So tomorrow we will start solving the question of this last 6.3 exercise. Thank you.